Hello there. I'm here to help you find the perfect bike. Could you tell me what kind of riding you plan to do most often?
Hey Nevo, I'm looking for some adventure and I'm thinking about weekend trips around Berlin. It's the middle of summer and there's just so many cool places to go.
That sounds fantastic. Since you're planning weekend trips and a bit of adventure, would you be riding mostly on paved roads, or do you want to explore gravel paths and light trails as well?
Nevo, I want something that's really versatile that would allow me to do anything. What could you suggest for me?
Hold on to your handlebars for a moment. Got it. So you want something versatile that can handle a bit of everything.
Maybe you could compare the Travel Go with the Rock Road for me.
Sure. The Travel Go Tourer S is more focused on comfort and utility. With 21 gears, a steel frame, and it comes with features like a rear rack and lights. It's heavier, but great for long, steady rides.
Yeah, well, speed and versatility are both important to me. So could you give me more details on the Rock Road?
Absolutely. The Rock Road G1 is designed for adventure, with a lightweight aluminium frame and 18-speed gears that make it easy to switch between smooth roads and rugged trails. It's got mechanical disc brakes for reliable stopping power and a rear rack for your gear.
Hey Nevo, that Rock Road I think is really the right kind of bike for me. Could you help me book a test ride?
Of course. Could you please tell me your current postcode? And when would you like to do the test ride?
And Nevo, my postcode is 10555 and I'd love to do the test ride this Saturday afternoon. Do you think you guys will have a slot?
Thanks for that. I'll arrange the booking for Saturday afternoon. I'll confirm the exact time shortly.